Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to learn about different types of angles. So I have here, when two lines meet or cross, they form an angle. We have here in this one, I have two lines. These two lines meet in a point and forms inside what? An angle. Forms what inside? An angle. Okay, and here I have also two lines. Yeah, these lines, as you see, every line is, yes, it's what? It's a ray. It has ending point and no starting point. It goes forever. So I have here two rays. They meet at a point. They meet at a point, okay? And inside they give you inside an angle. They form here an angle. And in the third example here, I have also two lines. Those two lines, or these two lines here, form inside what? An angle. Okay, by looking to the angle here, it's what? As I told you in the last session, this is right angle. This is what, dear students? Right angle, 90 degree. And this is what? This is an angle that's less than the right angle. Less than the right angle, right? So this is called what? I told you in the last session also. Do you remember? Yeah, it's acute angle. It's what? Acute angles. Excellent. So this is what? This is an angle which is greater than right angle. Greater than right angle. Look, it's open like this. Greater than this angle, so this is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle, and we will learn about the names of the angles later. Okay, so what I should know now, I have to know that this is called what? This is called right angle, gives me 90 degree. This is less than this. Do you notice that this angle here is less than this angle? Yeah, of course. And this angle is greater than a right angle. Okay, we look around us. If you look around us, you will see angles everywhere. Yeah, so in the analog clock, I have here, what time is it? Yeah, it's 3:30. The two hands of the clock gives me inside what? Yes, it gives me here inside an angle. Inside gives me what? An angle, a right angle here. If you can notice this, it's the same like this one. And here, in this sign of stop sign, I have here an angle between these two sides. Yes, it forms what angle? An angle greater than the right angle. Greater than the right angle, we will learn that it's called obtuse. We will learn that it's called obtuse, right? So after this, I have here what? This scissors, yes, gives me here, yeah, an acute angle. What's this acute angle, miss? Acute angle, the angle which is less than the right angle. Less than the right angle. Okay? Okay. Each angle has a vertex, as I told you, and two sides. This is very important. Open your eyes. I have here in each angle has a vertex. This is vertex. This is vertex. The point of here of the meeting of the two rays or the two sides. So they meet in a vertex, at a vertex, I mean. Okay, the vertex is the common point at which the two lines meet. The two sides of an angle are the two lines that meet at the vertex. As I told you, these are the sides. These are the sides, okay? And this is the vertex. And inside I have the angle. Inside I have the what? The angle, okay? The angles with one square corner is called a right angle. This square corner in the shape of square is called a right angle. Right angles can be related many ways. What does it mean rotate? Yes, excuse me, rotated. Rotated. What does it mean rotate? To, yes, to move in a circle. So if it's rotated like this, the angle remains the same, 90 degrees in the shape of square. Do you know that the 3-signal traffic light was invented by a Detroit police officer named William Potts? London was the first city to use traffic lights in 1868. Okay, Adam noticed that the sides of the traffic light he sees on his way to school every day form angles. What kind of angles around the lights in the picture here? I have here 3 colors. Okay, there is a square around each light. There is a square around each light. The angles in the, okay, here I have what match each figure or clock with the type of angle shown. So I have here analog clocks. So first one, this is the angle between the 2 sides here, the 2 hands of the clock. I have 2 hands of the clock, the short hand and the long hand, and inside there is an angle. Inside there is an angle. So what do you think? This angle is equals to right angle, or less than the right angle, or greater than the right angle? Yes, greater than the right angle, and it's called obtuse. This one, less than a right angle, or greater than a right angle, or equals to right angle, less than a right angle. This one, right angle, or greater than right angle, or less than right angle. This is right angle. It gives me the shape of square inside. Okay, and here when I say less than right angle, we can look here in this triangle. What do you think? This angle with the red here arrow, so it's what? It's right. It's what? Less than right angle. Less than right angle, the small one. And for this, in the shape of square, it's called right angle. It's called right angle. And this one, the yellow drawing here, it's the angle that is greater than right angle. It's open like this, and this is closed, and this is, yes, in the shape of square. Circle the correct answer here. I have here what? Right angle, because it's in the shape of, yes, in the shape of square, so it's called right angle. This one, it's open like this, greater than right angle, so it's greater than right angle. And this one, less than right angle, it's small, acute, less than right angle. And this is right angle, but it's rotated. It's okay to be rotated, so it's called right angle. Draw a right angle, an angle which is less than right angle, and an angle that's greater than a right angle. So I have here what? I have here a right angle. Draw 2 lines like this, and this is called right angle. And here we can form here a square from this point to this point to this point. This is called what? A right angle. And this is what? This is an acute angle, less than right angle. And this one, it's what? Obtuse angle. Cuckoo noticed that the corners of her math book form angles. What kind of angles does Cuckoo see? Okay, she noticed that the corners of her math book, if you have here a math book or any book, and they have what? They have corners. They have corners. The corners here have, yes, have forms angles. So the angles between will be in what shape, on what shape of angles, of what kind of angles? Right angles. Here in this book, in this page, as you see here in this page, in the presentation, here this corner is right angle, and this corner is right angle. So the corners here, this is the vertex. Can you see with me with the arrow? This is the vertex, and this is the vertex. They form right angles. Explain how to show that an angle is a right angle. A right angle has a square corner. As I told you, the right angle has what? Square corner, right? Abdullah said that two hands of a clock can make a right angle. Do you agree or not? Draw the hands of the clock to help you explain your answer. I have here an analog clock, and I want to draw the hands of the clock. Yes, the hands of a clock can form a right angle. How? For example, at 3 o'clock. For example, for 3 o'clock, only 3 o'clock? No, 3:30. Okay, dear students, moving to lesson 2, polygons. We are going now to study what is a polygon is. A polygon is a closed plane figure with 3 or more straight sides. The sides are straight lines and do not cross. This is called polygon. This is called polygon. At least we have here in the polygon 3 sides. At least we have 3 sides, like in the triangle, or more, like in the square. In this shape, it's not square, but we have also the square is polygon, is called polygon. So I have here triangle and two other polygons, all the shapes in here, in the big rectangle here, all the shapes here are called polygons. Okay, these are not polygons. Why? Because in the circle, for example, it hasn't got any straight lines here. Okay, and this is not also polygon, because what? Because it's not a closed plane figure with 3 or more straight lines, straight sides. The sides are straight lines and do not cross. So here it's crossed, so it's not polygon. And here it's open, it's not closed, so it's not polygon. Okay, classify polygons by the number of sides. Okay, it's very easy now. A triangle has 3 sides. This triangle, the triangle, as we know that it has how many sides? 3. Okay, I have to study this very well. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. For the quadrilateral, it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the quadrilateral has how many sides? 4 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. For the pentagon, the pentagon has here 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the pentagon, I want to study this well. The pentagon, 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Any polygon that has 6 sides is called hexagon. It's called hexagon. A heptagon has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here the heptagon has 7, right? 7 sides. 7 sides. Here an octagon has 8 sides. An octagon has 8 sides. Yes. Do you know that the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense is called the Pentagon? Okay, why? The Pentagon is a large office building. It has 5 sides, 5 floors above the ground, and 5 rings of corridors per floor. It also includes a 5-acre central plaza, which is shaped like a pentagon and known as Gr3. So this is a very interesting information here. Draw a pentagon. Write the number of sides and angles in a pentagon. If he asks me to draw a pentagon, then I will draw how many sides? 5 sides. Excellent. And in between, I will find here, in between each 2 sides, I will find an angle. So I have here what? A pentagon with 5 sides and 5 angles. Here, match each shape to the definition of the left, on the left, and turn. Okay, and turn on the right. Okay, yes. So I have a 5-sided polygon. 5-sided, as we said, a pentagon. Yes, a pentagon, and here goes to pentagon. Okay, then a 3-sided polygon. A 3-sided polygon. Yes, triangle, and here I match with triangle. A 4-sided polygon. Quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral here. A 6-sided polygon. Yes, 6 hexagon, and it comes from x and x, 6 hexagon. Okay, okay. I need you, dear students, to study hard these 2 lessons from this YouTube and from the PowerPoint presentations. Do your homework. Enjoy doing your homework from the iExcel. I'm happy to be with you. Thank you, dear students.